kids, I hope you are fit and fine. Today we will learn about birds. Okay kids, you can see a picture over here in which you see parrot, eagle, ostrich, chicken. Okay, there are a lot of other pictures which is showing on the right side, and these are for puffin, kiwi, pelican, pigeon and peacock. Kids, you have to tell us, who is our national bird? Good, it's the peacock. Now we have to do a quick activity. Match the birds with their beaks. So, the first picture is of pelican. Okay, and where is the beak? Good, so you have to match the pelican with the beak. The second picture is of a parrot. So, match the parrot with its beak. Very good. The third picture is of chicken. So you have to match the picture with its beak. Good. And the fourth, क्या नाम था इस bird का? Puffin. The fourth picture is of kiwi. So you need to match the kiwi with its beak. Very good. Now a fun exercise. Put your thumb impressions on the spots of peacock's feather. Let's do it. Good. कुछ बचा तो नहीं? हल्का सा दिखाओ नीचे. So kids, I hope that you have enjoyed what we have learned today, and you will practice it again and again to be perfect in this.